Hello guys, I'm Peter and from today I'm taking part in a challenge called 100 commits, in Polish 100 commitów, which is what is organized by a group of great guys from Polish IT community called Dev Mentors. It's Darek, Michał and Piotrek. Thanks guys for organizing that kind of challenge. And for me, it's an occasion, it's a chance to firstly get back to working on some kind of pet projects, side projects, which can, which allow me also to, again, just play with the technology rather than working on daily basis with my customers on solving their problems. So yeah, that's the one thing. Another thing, it's also, I thought that maybe thanks to this project, I can prepare lots of, I hope, nice materials for you about cloud, about Azure, because I'm only related, let's say, with Azure Cloud as a cloud provider. So I hope that as a side effect of this challenge will be ton of nice materials for you. And during that challenge, I will try to show you how I'm working with Azure, how I'm trying to find the information, how I set up the environment where I'm working, what can be a nice tool to use during the development, and so and so on and so forth. So yeah, maybe let's stop for a while to talk about challenge itself. So 100 commits, it's the challenge where through 100 days, each day you're working on the application. It's about building habits, working on something each day. So yeah, thanks to this, you can really develop something nice, because if each day you will spend some time, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes on developing something, after 100 days you can spend lots of time on developing something, and you can learn something new. And I think that's the most important part of that challenge, because it's really nice, because as I saw, it's more than 400 participants on board. So yeah, it's a nice community, nice group of people working on that. I hope that everybody will survive those 100 days. And as I said, my purpose is here to create, as a side effect, really nice materials for you, to show you some development stuff, the development practice from my daily work, which of course I can't show you really on my customers' work, but I think it's in that kind of pet project, it will be a really nice example, of course simplified, but still I hope that you can learn something interesting. So the plan for me is for that challenge is to deliver some really simple solution, which I saw in many places, in many customers' environments, and often it's kind of messy solution. So I thought that maybe I can prepare something more stable, more reliable, more interesting from that design point of view. So yeah, it's kind of easy stuff, because based on the schedule, you need to just turn on and turn off the virtual machine or virtual machines. About the details of the requirements we will talk later, but yeah, that's a simple case, and within that case I will try to show you how I'm working. Also, I will have the chance again to touch technologies which I'm not working anymore for a longer time, and due to the areas which I'm currently working. So yeah, I hope that it will be again chance for me to get back to my previous stuff, because I'm ex-software developer. For now, I'm senior cloud architect. So yeah, maybe it's a nice occasion to get back to some older stuff. So the plan is for that to prepare those kind of videos for each day. I'm assuming that I will not be able to prepare for each day the video. For sure, I have to work on the application and put some commit each day. But with videos, it can be hard, traveling, doing other stuff. I'm doing lots of stuff behind my work, let's say. Then it can be hard from time to time to always record the video like this. But of course, the new commits will come because they have to. That's the simple reason. But yeah, if I will have the occasion, the time, I will prepare the video like this to show you how I'm working, and it will be without cutting, to show you that I have also problems, how I'm solving problems, and yeah, just to show the real developer / cloud architect life. And of course, I will not have lots of time for implementation. So yeah, let's assume that I will use one Pomodoro session, 20 minutes for now, to deliver something, to be able to commit anything. It can be part of README file, the documentation. It can be a simple line of code, whatever. Yeah. So let's see what I can deliver for you. I hope that you will enjoy that time with me. It will be a really nice experience. I hope maybe again just playing with the technologies without thinking about other people, other customers, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I hope that you will stay with me for all of that 100 days. And yeah, I think it's time to start to work on our solution. So let's move to the browser for now. And if you would like to find me somewhere, here you have my blog, vahulec.me, my surname.me, and you can find contact information and blog posts, some blog posts on my blog. So feel free to go to that website. I hope that you will enjoy that. So let's start the session. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Yeah, I will out for the notification. And here on my profile GitHub, you can find that repository called VM start stop. And here you will find all codes, all documentation in README file, and yeah. So first of all, let's open Visual Studio Code, and here I have opened already that repository. I have cloned that, and I will create a new file, readme md, and yeah, you can see that I'm using GitHub Copilot. So I will put some basic stuff into the introduction section. So this repository is a part of one 100 one, maybe that way, one commitów. It's in Polish. So and let me open the page. Commitów 100 commits. So you will have the link. Of course, here you can see the definition, why it's created, the aim, and so on. And here you can find all of the repositories which are already added. So you can see after the first day, I'm recording that before 9 p.m. So we have 466 participants with 1,100 commits already, and about 500,000 of line of code. So it's so crazy from my perspective. So yeah, I will put that here. Okay, maybe I will open the preview on that side. Challenge this will, okay, maybe not that, but okay. Quick fix with I'm using also Grammarly, so you can see that okay, I can fix also that kind of stuff. Rephrasing. Yeah, I work on this challenge. The aim of this project is to have a simple solution for starting and stopping virtual machines in Azure, based on the schedule. The schedule will be defined in resource tags. Okay, so let's see. Okay. I will add that design section, and here I will put I will put the link to Miro board, because yeah, we will use Miro for gathering the information, the requirements. So yeah, with that link, you will have the access for Miro board with view access to review the design here. So yeah, as we already have that, so let's put some frame. Here I will put that. Okay, okay, we have 50 minutes still. So let's requirements. Okay, so I think what are the requirements? You know, I don't have for now let's say exact plan. I have a kind of ideas, I have kind of experience with existing solutions, so I will try to create something from scratch. Maybe through the time we will change those requirements, we will change the design, whatever. Just I will try to show you real living project. So as you know from your experience, I hope that everything can change through the time. So the solution needs to turn on and turn off VMs based on schedule on within tags on VM level or RG level. What does it mean? So it means that I can have the tags defined on the VM as a resource level or on the resource group level, which will mean that all VMs within the resource groups should be turned off or turned on within the same time. So the tag on the RG level means that all VMs in the RG should be turned on, off in the same time. Yeah, okay. We would avoid administrative overhead. What does it mean? It means that we would like to avoid some secret rotation, some authentication, manual authentication, and so forth. Okay, that's the point. What else we can add here for now? Okay, we have 10 minutes still. We would like to avoid administrative overhead. Yeah, the solution should be should be monitored. If it is working, if any problem will appear, we would like to be notified. We would like to be notified. Yeah, so you can see that if anything will happen, so it means that, for example, the machine cannot be stopped due to some reason, whatever, we should get any notification. What type of notification? Maybe email, mail notification, and Slack, Discord notification. Okay. For now, okay. The solution should cover different subscriptions. So it means that we would like to have a single solution for running or for management VMs in different subscriptions, different regions, whatever. We would like to avoid the manual or deploying instances for different regions, different locations. So yeah, with single solution we would cover all of those stuff. Okay, for now I think that's it. So yeah, maybe I will put that also in the README. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, let's fix all of that stuff with Grammarly. Okay. Interviews, okay. At the same time, yeah, you can see that the first, okay, the first nice tool is just Grammarly, which can really which can really improve your language within your documentation or whatever documents you are preparing. Okay, here again. Okay, to prevent. Okay, here a single solution. Comma. Okay, so let me update my mirror board. Okay, here. Okay, so we have kind of introduction, we have kind of the requirements linked to this to design. So I think that we have a couple of minutes to jump into the Microsoft documentation because, for example, if we would like to, if we will put that query in Google or VM start stop Azure, then you can see that here we have kind of built-in solution for functions, for example. So yeah, we can use Azure Functions with built-in solution for starting and stopping VMs. So that's the one thing. But also in VM Auto Shutdown, Azure VM Auto Shutdown, when you are creating the virtual machine in Azure Portal, you have the let's say auto shutdown operation. So if I will jump into Azure Portal, and let me maybe create some resource group. Oh, please create, yeah, test RG, because for any resource we have to have that resource group, let's say. I choose the Poland Central because, yeah, I'm from Poland. It's a new region, so I think that it will work quite nicely. So if I will try to create any, let's say, Ubuntu server VM, let's say, for example, that yeah, a long time support version. Here in advanced, monitoring management, I think. Yeah, here we have that enable auto shutdown. So also on that level we can partially configure our the time where we would like to shut down the VM. So yeah, we can choose that okay at that time zone, and that in that time we should automatically shut down the VM. So yeah, it's kind of also kind of solution for doing that. So you can see that we have two options. So we can put them as we have 3 minutes. We can put them into the README listing options. we have two options to achieve with the existing Azure services. Based on Azure functions. Here, let's put that in as a link. And here, add to shutdown with virtual machines. So yeah, as you can see, we already gathered some introduction, some requirements, basic requirements, and we have some existing options, and we started already to think about the design. Yeah, we have two more minutes. Yeah, let me maybe make the commit and push the changes into the repository. I'm just thinking quickly if we should add something here for now. Yeah, basically we have those two options. Application inserts and optional notifications by using action groups. Managed by OK, which is deprecated. Of course, that Azure Service Manager, that classic one, is deprecated. Yeah, but let's just try to implement something on our own. As you can see, as you're interested, you can try to look on that, to use the existing solution based on Azure Functions. We will use also Azure Functions, but with custom implementation. Why? Because why not? And because we would like to learn something new, test some patterns, implement some nice patterns. So yeah, okay, last minute. So let's make that git status again. I saved. Yes, I saved. Okay. Add. Okay. Add that introduction requirements and existing options. And what we added? Link to Miro board with design. And great. Let's turn off the alert. Okay. So git push. Okay. And here in the repository, after the refresh, you have the README file. So basically that's it for today. I hope that you will enjoy. You will enjoy the time with me. You will enjoy the project. You will learn something interesting. And yeah, so stay in touch. I hope that you will subscribe my YouTube channel. You will go into my blog. You will add me on LinkedIn. Whatever you would like to do, please do. I'm really open for any connections and also for your suggestions. So if you would like to jump, maybe let's go back to the repository, and you would like to create any issues, you are always welcome for doing that. It's for you. It's with the MIT license, and yeah, you can really add your work or add your ideas to that project. So again, thank you for your time. I hope that you will enjoy, and see you tomorrow, I hope. Bye.